Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best lighting for webcam streaming that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Neewer 5600K USB LED video lights. This panel-style light kit from Neewer comes with 2 LED light panels, one of the many reasons this is one of the best lighting options for webcam streaming. The lights are powered by USB and work with a wall plug. Each small LED panel adjusts up to 180 degrees, so you get the right angle every time. Also included are 2 tripods for perfect positioning, 2 extension sticks, and 8 filters. Set one light on either side of you, and you're good to go. Neewer works great with a webcam and your favorite iPhone, like the iPhone 13. With adjustable brightness from 10% to 100%, get soft and even lighting on a video call with this tabletop lighting kit. Ideal for Zoom meetings, Skype calls, YouTube streaming, and more. Moving on at number 4, we have Loom Cube Video Conference Lighting Kit. At home and in office, workers who spend all day on video conference calls will love Loom Cube's conference lighting kit. The LED panel lights give off a soft but bright light that's fully adjustable for daytime or nighttime shooting. The lenses are frosted and covered with a white diffuser, putting you in a professional glow. Plus, this kit comes with a computer mount and is ready to use right out of the box. This versatile setup mounts to any device to provide a polished, professional appearance on video calls. Designed for portability and versatility, this lightweight kit can be powered by either its internal battery or the USB port for indefinite external power. At number 3, we have Seago StreamCam N930E. If you need to upgrade your camera and lighting system, reach for the Seago StreamCam. It's a 1080p webcam with an attached ring light. If you're a privacy junkie, you'll dig the privacy cover that slides over the camera when it's not in use. This setup fits atop your monitor and also works as a standalone unit on any flat surface. Fast autofocus webcam catches ideal focus positions as you move, making it easier for you to get clear images, videos. Additionally, auto low light correction and auto white balance make the picture quality stand out from the rest. Noise cancelling technology. The built-in noise cancelling microphone reduces ambient noise to enhance the sound quality of your video. At number 2, we have Emart 60 LEDs. The twin light setup from Emart plugs into any standard outlet, making it one of the best lighting options for webcam streaming for those on a budget. Set the lights around the cam on your computer, phone, or best iPad, and start streaming. Even filters are included to give you a soft glow or take the harshness out of daytime shoots. This kit is made for tabletop use and includes 8 gel filters, 2 lights, and 2 adjustable stands. And finally at number 1, Ulanzi VL49 2000 mAh LED video light. Some lights put you in a harsh light that emphasizes every pore and pimple. Who wants that? The wallet-friendly Ulanzi VL49 provides soft, supplemental light that works well for video calls, YouTube, and even portraits. The battery is rechargeable and lasts up to 2 hours, making this one of the best lighting options for webcam streaming for those minding their budget. Upgrade soft light board based on old models, makes supplement lights softer and lither, not dazzling. Built-in large capacity lithium battery, charging time is 2 hours, maximum brightness output up to 120 minutes, minimum brightness output up to 300 minutes.